Business owners benefit when they use a low-fee merchant account service. You can get information here at www.chargecreditcards.blogchoice.org. Now, here's some insight. Service businesses such as janitorial, locksmiths, plumbers, handyman, electrical and the like, as well as general contractors, work in a very competitive and dynamic industry that requires constant change and adoption of new practices that fit the needs of their clients. They are often asked or expected to do more on a given job than initially discussed. Therefore, in tough economic times and in a very competitive field, the need to handle requests from clients that want more from you is imperative. What better than to have the ease and convenience of a credit card terminal to receive instant payment for both the initial and any add-on costs to your customer? At our website, we focus on helping small businesses. You will benefit greatly from a low-fee merchant account service. You can get information here at www.chargecreditcards.blogchoice.org. See you at the site.